Well, a lot of people have been asking me to do this, but this is the breather on my racing tractor. Take the filter off. Maybe. There we go. See, that's what it looks like. It just bolts into a couple holes in the top of the carburetor. This is for the opposed twin carburetor. I have no idea where to get them. This came on it when I got it, but I have seen them on Briggs & Stratton Racing. But like I said, this one came on it, so I have no idea. This is what helps your twin get a growl, that and the right exhaust. I got dual exhaust on mine. Comes out right there on both sides. So yeah, that's pretty much it.